Alright, today we are here at the Coral Gardens, which are just right over there. You can see there's some boats out there, some groups of snorkelers. We're gonna be swimming out that direction and hoping to get some really good snorkeling in. It's supposed to be some really good coral.
Swim to the boats, but I think the coral starts way before where the boats are, so I'm ready. Let's go.
Alright, here they came back again, so just taking a nap with Zoe in the hammock right now, and I'm gonna go check it out, see what I can see. Alright, so I just got back in from snorkeling. I had to swim out pretty far out there to get to where the good coral was. You can see like clear out where that boat is. Basically it's where I had to swim to. But looks like Zoe's awake from her nap. Haley's in here having a good time, hanging out in this tree with my pal Zoe. We are done for the day. We're headed back home. A good time though. It was nice. Sun with me. Fun on the beach. Fun snorkeling. We are off.